Hi everyone, I've been using the Keychron Q1 for about a month now in its stock form. It sounds pretty good stock, but it could sound better with some mods. The Keychron Q1 is a 75% wired custom mechanical keyboard, which is relatively cheap compared to the market for custom keyboards. In my use over this month, the typing feel has been great and very comfortable even at stock. It is gasket mounted, so it is a softer typing experience. The Keychron Q1 is a Mac and Windows compatible mechanical keyboard. This is one of the reasons why I've stayed with Keychron's keyboards, as I own a Mac Mini. The Q1 comes in at $229 Australian dollars as a bare bones kit. However, there was a sale at PC Case Gear that I couldn't miss. I bought the bare bones kit for the Q1 for $189. I then bought my own switches and keycaps from Switch Keys. I would recommend buying the bare bones kit and buying your own switches and keycaps, as this is more cost effective, and also the complete set that comes with the Keychron Q1 aren't as good as other third party keycaps and switches. The bare bones kit is a great value for money and is a great way to get into the mechanical keyboard world. You can see on screen what the bare bones kit comes with. Pretty good value for money if you ask me. I will be using a few different materials to mod the Keychron Q1. The first will be masking tape, the second will be PE foam, and the last will be Krytox 205 Go to lube the switches. The switches that I will be using are Gateron Milky Blacks and Gazoo Boba U4T. Prior to this, I lubed the Gateron Milky Blacks for a smoother typing feel and sound. I will be leaving the Boba U4T switches unlubed in its stock configuration, as this is recommended for a deeper sound from the creator Gazoo himself. The switch setup that I was using while the keyboard was in stock configuration was Gateron Brown switches and Boba U4T, mainly for the alphas. These were the only switches that I had at the time before I decided to mod the keyboard and buy new switches. The force break mod involves using masking tape to reduce the pingy sound of the case. To try to dampen the case and the ping, I put small strips of masking tape near each of the screws. I applied 2 layers of masking tape for each strip I applied. This mod greatly reduces the pinging noise, and I would recommend it for anyone who is planning to mod the Q1. As of recent, the tape mod has been used in a lot of mods for mechanical keyboards and has become very popular, especially the Keychron Q1. It involves taping the back of the PCB with masking tape. I applied 2 layers of tape to ensure that the sound was changed. It is a very simple and cost-effective mod to any board. The case foam that came with the Keychron Q1 is okay, but not enough to get rid of the ping noise and give the case a fuller sound. I took out the bottom piece of foam that was in it as it was very thin. I left the other piece of foam that came with it and added a layer of PE foam on top of it, making sure to cut it to size and leave space for the wires that are connected to the PCB. I made sure to keep the price down for the mods as they are simple yet very effective to dampen and improve the sound of the board. Assembling the board was a bit difficult in the beginning because I didn't know which parts went on top of each other, but with a bit of fiddling I was able to pull through. Once the Gator and Milky Black switches had arrived, I decided to use them for the letters and the Bobo U4T for the function keys, and the other keys like spacebar and enter. As I said before, these keycaps are a budget-friendly option and I would recommend them. If you aren't someone that is looking to buy GMK keycap sets, then this set of keycaps will be great for you. I hope this provided some insight into the process of modding the Keychron Q1. Let me know if you enjoyed this type of content and what else you would like to see. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.